Karma Guy here. Unlock your freedom with our wheelchair-accessible van, featuring easy access ramps for smooth and convenient transportation. Perfect for everyday use. This 2014 Ford Transit Connect Passenger XLT has low mileage, only 87,000. It comes with original books, dealer service history, and current Georgia state emissions. Recent service valued at over $1,760, ensuring this van is in great shape. From pre-delivery inspection to new brake pads, air filters, spark plugs, and even a fresh oil change, this vehicle is ready to roll. This Transit Connect is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, in addition to the advertised price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade, available at the time of sale. We know buying a car is a big decision, and that's why we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to give you peace of mind. Please note that any price reductions or discounts will void this unit being sold as a certified pre-owned vehicle with a warranty and service plan. Take advantage of the chance to drive away with confidence, and remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of a low price is forgotten.